is Sonia. I have my own hair brand in London. I just wanted to show you the hair that I purchased from K-HAIR from Karin. I love this hair. The hair is really nice. This is the hair I purchased. If you want to look at the hair, I bought it from Vietnam, from K-HAIR. I bought it from Karin. This is the hair. It's like a loose wave. She's very helpful. She's always ready to answer my phone calls and all the queries. She always replies to the message. I'm very happy with her. Very nice hair. Let me show you another one. I also purchased a wavy one. This is the wavy one. This is a wavy one that I purchased from K-HAIR from Karin as well. Very nice one. This is very nice hair. It's double draw, really full. I'm very happy, highly recommended.